Hey guys, as you can see, we finished the C8 Corvette, complete with CORVETTE window tint. Most of the windows are down, but you'll see with the windshield, we started with a 70% tint. We also tinted the rest of the vehicle as well. In addition to the window tint, we did a full vehicle PPF coverage, paint protection film from CORVETTE, 12-year warranty, the best in the business. The PPF is actually covered with Ceramic Pro ceramic coating from the factory, so in essence, you're getting double protection of the vehicle. In addition to the full vehicle PPF, we actually added paint protection film to all the trims of the vehicle, also the diffuser on the vehicle, all the black plastics you see, all the extra trims, giving this car 100% full PPF protection. In addition to the paint protection film, if you look at the interior of this car, we actually did an interior ceramic coating. This is one of the things we specialize here at Fantasy Motorsports. You can see the beautiful leather on the C8 Corvette is actually a combination of leather and suede. By putting ceramic coating on the interior, not only does the interior Ceramic Pro protect from sun damage, it also protects against spills and makes the interior hydrophobic as well.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really want to hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side.
As you can see, we protected the full interior and exterior of this beautiful Corvette C8. We hope you enjoyed the videos. In the future, who knows, maybe your vehicle will be the next one showcased in one of our videos. Take care.
Through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake